Good evening, dear friends. Hope you're all having a wonderful Sunday and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. And talking about Mother's Day, today we're going to be learning about Shabbos, which we refer to as Shabbos Hamalka, the Shabbos Queen. So it's all about Queen, the motherhood. That's what Shabbos is all about. And dear friends, today we have a new mitzvah. Sorry, the same mitzvah. Not a new mitzvah, not yet. We have the mitzvah we've been learning about for the past few days that we should remember the Shabbos day to make it holy by verbally speaking, expressing the holiness of Shabbos, the specialty of Shabbos, how Shabbos is distinct from all the other days of the week, both when Shabbos comes in, both when Shabbos leaves, and we do this over a cup of wine. And today, the Rambam walks us through the laws of how to give honor to Shabbos. How do we make Shabbos holy? So we make Kiddush, but then there's also other elements of it. We honor the Shabbos by certain actions, and we also create an environment of pleasure, which that brings to the honor and the pleasure and the greatness of Shabbos. So, says the Rambam, get yourself ready for Shabbos. Your table should be set, candles lit. By the time Shabbos comes, the house should be beautiful and sparkling. You should be wearing special Shabbos clothing. And the Rambam says if you can't afford special Shabbos clothing, at least allow your robe, like olden day robes, to sit lower down. You know, most people during the work week, they would, tie their girdle. They would lift up their robes and tie it up, which made them a little bit easier to move around, a little bit more mobile. But on Shabbos, you let it go down at least that, and prepare good food. And the Rambam gives a few other things. I'm just trying to remember offhand. Different ways of bringing honor to the Shabbos. Make sure to launder your clothing before Shabbos. Take a shower. Especially in the olden days where washing yourself was only done not as often as we do it today. So take a shower and wash yourself, special for Shabbos. All these things like that Shabbos could be extra special. Don't have a regular dinner on Friday night. Make it a Shabbos dinner. Bring special food that you don't usually eat. Create a special environment, create a special ambiance. That's what it's all about. And the Rambam says, final note for today's mitzvah, that nobody should ever say that doing work to prepare for Shabbos is above me. I'm wealthy enough or I'm prestigious enough that it's below me, it's beneath my dignity to be involved in cleaning a house, preparing the table, who knows what. I'll get somebody else to do it. I'll pay somebody to do it for me. Says the Rambam, no, when it comes to Shabbos, the greatest sages of Israel would personally make it their business to prepare the candles, to etc., to prepare the challah. Make it your business that you actively bring honor and pleasure to the Shabbos. And dear friends, that is today's Daily Mitzvah for Sunday. See you all soon for our next Daily Mitzvah. Have a wonderful week. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.